going on, guys? You seen pulling out the tire for the Nissan. It popped on me recently. I'm just trying to go get it fixed so I could put on a new part today. Trying to go get this fixed. I also got something planned coming up. Hopefully it comes through. I'll be driving to Dinuba to get that fixed, and then Fresno afterwards. And then Fresno, I'm gonna pick up a little something to eventually help me out with that. I also have a part that came in I'm gonna install later, and hopefully it'll give me a little bit more fitment, or a little bit more of a good look to it, if you know what I mean. So let's get started with that. I'm gonna decide to go get fixed, and then I'll see you guys when I'm heading towards Fresno. Alrighty, yo. So time to change this one out. Got that one all patched up, ready to go. That one out. Switched out this. Ooh. That's a directional tire. If you guys don't know what that means, it means it's supposed to roll one way. And it's completely the opposite. Fuck it. YOLO. I'll see y'all when the tire's back on. Tire's back on. Now. Oh. Yes, haven't heard that sound in a fucking minute. Okay. So, here's what happened. I was driving down Fresno the other day, and coming home, my alignment's not that great because I never got it aligned, and basically I believe my toe was off, so I was running just fucking wire everywhere. And coming down the 180 coming home, that shit popped on me. And here's a little clip that kind of shows what the tire looked like. I was driving home, and yeah, I'm probably running wire on the other side of this shit, and the jack I have does not fit under my car. Yeah, I think it's still a good tire. Just a quick patch up, should be solid. So yeah, got that fixed up. Now time to go throw on that little alignment tool I got for you. Thanks to fucking TruHart for sponsoring it. Appreciate you guys. All right, y'all. So again, huge shout out TruHart sending me these. We are going to install camber arms. So this is gonna go here. That focuses. This one's gonna go there. Only to adjust the camber a little bit, push more in, so it's a lot, not as much negative camber. I'm trying to go a little bit more positive, only because I don't want my tire wearing out a lot. Yeah, new tire. So let's get this put on. I didn't bring my mount, so I can mount this, but I'll show you guys as much as I can with this. Alrighty, so this works best when you're not on the fucking floor, but it's gonna be 219s on this side, and I believe it's gonna be, yeah, another 219s on this side. So we get that on there. It gets rid of the little camber adjustment here. We can get rid of that one. It's gonna be straight bolt, so we're gonna adjust it because all the adjustability is gonna come from the middle. So let me get this off. Let me get this one off. Let me get these off, and then I'll see you guys once it's off. We'll adjust it to the other one so it's about the same, and then from there we can be able to use the middle so we could adjust the camber on it. Like I said, I just want to adjust a little bit just so it's not as cambered out. You should remember, once you do suspension parts, always go get it aligned so they can dial it in even more, so you don't gotta worry about that. But yeah, again, thanks to TruHart. Let's get this thing off and see how it turns out. So I'm trying to put this on, right? It doesn't line up with the fucking hole. So I might just Mickey Mouse it and bolt it on there. But I would have to cut in between those two holes to do so. Car problems. Yay. Alright, so I finished up this side. Don't mind the mess. I was doing some stupid shit. But, boom. It's in. Not really much of an adjustment plate. It's kind of just bolt on the same way it did. So I'm just gonna take it to a lining shop, see what's up. But, I mean, one side's gonna run camber. I better have the other side running camber. So I'm gonna go to the other side right now. And see if I can run the camber over there a little bit. Same as this side, so it's not totally uneven. But, yeah. Pain. Like I said, I'm in the mess. I was just doing some dumb shit with a drill bit and a Dremel. But other than that, still gonna lower the front just a tad bit more, and lower the rear a little bit more. But imagine if it was this slow. Only one day if I get bags, maybe TruHart will send me some bags or some shit. But yeah, gotta do this side. And then after that, I'm gonna paint the wheels because they're motherfuckers fucked up. I'm also gonna wash it because this shit dirty. I haven't moved it in about a week or so. So it's full of bird poop, this and this. Yeah, this side's done. I'm gonna go to the other side right now. And then I'm gonna move on to the wheels and paint the wheels. So I'll show you guys when that's processed done. Alrighty. A little bit easier than the last one, but I still gotta pull it a little bit. So yeah, when you're putting these on, just pull this knuckle a little bit forward so you could insert that one. If not, you could insert this side first and push this in, push it inward to land up over here. Actually, no, sorry, you want to pull it outward so it lines up with the hole on this side. So you pull this outward, line it up, stick it in. You could put another washer on there, different washer. I just kept the Camber ones on there. But all the adjustment is gonna be right here in the middle. All you gotta do is that bolt, the bolt on this side, and adjust this in the middle, pulls it inner, pulls it outward. That's that. Next is painting the rims up. I got my little bro over there already starting the prep process. I'm gonna get those painted on and I'll show you guys afterwards what it looks like. What's good, y'all? So just finished up the car. Not much really done. Well, I did get a lot done. I painted the 2 back rims. I'm gonna paint the 2 rims the other day. I just didn't have time today just because it got dark. But oops, don't need that. But a lot more better, a lot more wider. That's the no-no, so I'm gonna redo that one. I'm gonna do the fronts the other day. But overall, same amount camber. Didn't really fix it. A little bit, fixed it a little bit, I ain't lie. But we gotta figure out what's going on there. But a whole lot better.